Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the heavy oxygen pod in Abyss Roblox. So if you're tired of seeing that low oxygen warning just as you find something rare, the heavy oxygen pod, this one, is the ultimate upgrade for deep sea explorer who want to spend more time looting and less time surfacing. And in here I'm going to show you where to buy it and how you can equip it. So what you need to do is just teleport to the Spirit Root Hollow, and after that you can just go inside in here until you find this one where there is this NPC called Victor, and on the right side in here usually there will be a heavy oxygen pod in stock. So if you want to buy it, you can buy it for 1,800. Just click on purchase and the quantity, click on buy, and that's it. You'll receive the heavy oxygen pod, so you can use it when there is low oxygen warning. You can just hold the heavy oxygen pod and click on anywhere to equip it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.